Hi, I'm Tony Abadi, Chief Technology Officer for AtmosAir, and here we're on the rooftop at Englewood Hospital here in Englewood, New Jersey. What we're doing today is going to be installing our AtmosAir Bipolar Ionization air purification equipment right there. Right now we're standing inside of a rooftop air handling system. What they're going to do is mount the AtmosAir systems in this supply, so that air is now enriched with ions. Those ions get spread below, and now the ions can saturate those spaces and perform all the great benefits that ionization can provide.
Here's how it works. When outdoor air comes into a building, oxygen molecules are carried over specially designed bipolar ion tubes. An energy field converts these molecules into positively and negatively charged ions. These ions then travel into occupied spaces to seek out oppositely charged bad air particles, VOCs, and odors. When they combine, it forces them to break down and drop out of our breathing range to reduce contaminant levels and improve our health and wellness.